Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll discuss the second problem of Leetcode BiWeekly Contest 83. It's a medium level problem. However, I think it's relatively easier than the other second problem of Leetcode contest. So the problem name is number of zero filled subarrays. So given an integer array nums, return the number of subarrays filled with zero, right? A subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array. So we have some examples. So it's a very simple problem. Let's just directly jump to the explanation and then we'll have an easy code, right? So suppose you have an array 1 2 0 0 3 0 something like this. So it says that you need to find in this array, you need to find how many subarrays you can construct which has all these zeros, right? So in this one, what we can do, suppose I pick these two, so it will be first this 0, then this is the first subarray, second one will be this one, right? The third one will be both of them, right? These two, right? Now the third one will be this one. You can take this one. So basically you can take all the single zeros and then right, so this is the one, right? So how many subarrays? 1 2 and 3. These are the three combined. And what about this one? Just one. So total we have 4 subarrays in this case, right? So yeah, and so what will be a simple approach? So for how many subarrays are there for length equals to suppose n, right? So for n, what we can do, suppose length equals to 2, so 1 and 2, how many subarrays are there? Either you can have 1, either you can have 2, or you can have 1 2, right? So total 3 subarrays. So actually what happens, for n equals to 2, you have 2 into 3 by 2 or n into n plus 1 by 2 subarrays. For length, for an array of length n, you have total this many subarrays, right? So now all you need to do is count the number of consecutive zeros in the array, right? And after you count all the consecutive zeros, just use this formula. So here we have 2 zeros. How many subarrays we'll have? We'll have 3. Here we have 1 zero. So how many subarrays we'll have? 1 into 2 divided by 2, that means 1. So total how many subarrays we'll have? We'll have 4, right? This is the basic implementation, basic logic of this problem. Let's directly come to the implementation. I don't have too much to explain in this problem. So yeah, we have started traversing the traversing the array from line number 7. I have a variable long sum which basically keeps track of the number of consecutive zeros. So if nums of I equals to 0, increment the sum. Else what you do, this is a non-zero number, so let's check how many zeros you have got till now, right? So answer plus equals to sum into sum plus 1 divided by 2, and then you make sum equals to 0, because now I will start to find a new subarray, either of length 1 or whatever be the length, but you have consumed all of them, right? So this is a basic technique of writing these type of code. So you do all this, and at last on line number 15, we have again used the formula that we have used on line number 11, because suppose we have a case like this, that suppose we have an array of 1 2 0 0 0, right? So what will happen? Actually, you will start traversing. Now your sum will becomes equals to 3, that you have 3 zeros. Now you don't have any other element, right? So the line present here, the line number 10 to 10 11 12 will not be executed, because after you got certain consecutive zeros, you did not get a non-zero element, right? So the last chunk of zeros are left which are present at the end of the array. So that is why line number 15 is added, that if you have a non-zero number of zeros, then just add the number of subarrays and just return the answer, right? So this is the basic stuff, a simple solution. So hope you learned something new from this video. Do support it by giving up a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel, and if you have any queries, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll try to reply to each one of them, right? Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.